cold. Now, interestingly, it hasn't rained since we last went in the van. Need to attach it to something. But again, work of art with the tarps, and hopefully we'll stay dry. See that sleep there? 10 hours 27 last night. So they say the night before is where you should get your best sleep. So I think I've achieved that at least. As we sit here in the van in the rain.
Go. Oh look, they're moving. Go away.
They don't understand English, honey. You need to speak minor bird for them to go.
I'm teaching them English.
Alright, all this fencing is for the race tomorrow. So quite a simple setup really. So this is Providence Bay Park, which is the starting area. And if you look back here to the caravan park, you can see our van. What's that, 50 metres? I'd say we nailed it as far as where we're staying. Yeah.
Love you.
Insane. Alright, you can see this surface. So I think I've just entered the trail run. There's ribbons hanging out of the trees. I'm just going for a little recce on the bike. I wouldn't normally, but because I made the promise to train every day this year, I'm just going for a little 30-minute ride. But it's very sandy. I'm not even sure if I can ride on this. Definitely not good for the bike, so I might turn around, but this is where the run goes in. So a lot of soft sand tomorrow. It's also 6 months today that I've trained every day, so there's a cool stat for you. We'll do a video on that at some point. But this is it, we're on it. You can see the sky, it's pretty miserable. There's a 100% chance of 40 mil of rain tomorrow, so it's going to be a wet day, but that's all right. Anyway, let's go check this out. Wow, look at this beautiful weather. I'm the rain man. Is that the little ones? Hey, and there's a dingo. I'm told there was dingoes around here. He's looking for food. Hello, mate. Hello, they certainly know how to get into the campground. Oh, he's a bit skitsy. I don't think you should come over here. First time I've seen a dingo in the wild.
So because it's raining, we've come into the camp kitchen to sort out all the equipment. So there's a whole lot of mandatory gear, which Tim will go through, and a whole lot of nutrition that he needs to take for the 50k and 6 or so hours that he'll be out there.
Alright, on the table is everything I have to take tomorrow for this run. So here's my Salomon pack, and everything you see here is going to go into it. Well, except for my hat and my compression socks. They will obviously be on the body, but I'm going to take a spare pair of socks and a spare t-shirt because it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, so I can get changed into them at the halfway point if I feel like it. A buff, that's mandatory, you have to carry that. I won't be carrying this bag, all this will be in here, that's my nutrition, so I'll sort that out in a minute. That is a waterproof jacket, I think I might actually put that on, so I might start with that. This is a waterproof bag of which the phone needs to go in. And I'll probably also, you have to carry a torch, so I'll put that in there. These little baggies, so in this I'm going to put extra nutrition, the socks and the t-shirt because it's so they don't get wet obviously, a space blanket, a bandage, compression bandage, a whistle, all this stuff you have to carry. And I'm going to put some of this butt butter in one of these bags also, so I can re-put this on at the midway point if need be. So 3 scoops in each bag. This is the turnaround, and I'll refill those bottles there. I just don't want this bag to... I went for a training run with a bag and this powder somehow found its way out. So
maybe double bag it.
Yeah, I might double bag it. That's a great idea. Behind us is the race headquarters, start-finish line. So this time tomorrow it'll all be done as we stand here in the rain. So all prepared. We've spent the day in the van out of the rain. So thanks for spending the day in the rain with us, I guess. We'll see you tomorrow.